Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back, Christy Life Adventure. So today, we're going to Nasuhi Waterfalls. This is part of Valencia. So we're gonna have fun today, and let's go, guys. Let's check this waterfall and say talk to you. Let's see you later. All right, bye. Yeah, we just get here at Nasuhi. So we're headed to the waterfalls. So it's beautiful here up here. It's got rain. It's raining a little bit right now, but it won't stop us. We keep going. So we just five of us only. So that was Jennifer, Chi, and Joseph. So those are our Tarzan companion, but this time we just go up here. So now we're start walking. All right, see you guys later. Let's go. We check this waterfalls. Ano mo? Yeah, so check this. So rocky. Well, the rocky big rocks. Boy. So challenge again. Climb up this rock. Hi! Woo! It's raining again. Well, somebody's serving this hand. Oh, those are brave sand. Okay, even though it's raining, keep going. This is this is what we're climbing up for. It doesn't matter it's raining or not. So, all right. Hi, Dad. Look, little falls. It's a little falls. That so the big rock right there. Oh, water is so cool. Woo! Really? Oh, look at that. Oh, this is the beautiful falls. This is what I love the most. Good Lord. So, thank you. We climb up here. So beautiful. Yeah, we keep going. Headed to the big waterfalls. So, we better be. Oh, check this. Wow. Look, it's good to swim right there. But goody, it's cold. Look at that water. So clear. Wow. It's a mother nature. Look at that mother nature water right there. Nice. Okay. Clear water. Clear, really clear water. cold. Water is so cold. Oh, nice. Swim now. Start swimming. Anybody? Anybody like to swim? So beautiful. So good, Lordy. I'm sorry, chick. Alright. So we keep going looking for the big one. Nice waterfall. Oh, this is a deep one. Deep water right here. Water is so clear. Really, really clear. Look at this guys. How beautiful up here. Down. So how is it? How is So they grow up this chayote here uh, because it's cold up here. Here in Nasohe, that's where they plant those kind of chayote. Look at that, check that. Yeah, when I was in America, it cost me a lot of money. Like that big, probably like $3 to $4. And yeah, I love that. It's a healthy vegetable. Oh my god, the white squash. That's what the other grocery say. It is a white squash. But here in the Philippines, we call this coyote. Coyote. It's like coyote. Coyote. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. So how cool is that? Wow. So it's big until over there. So we keep going, walking over there. So we're still walking this water, clear water. Okay. It's a rocky. That's where they grow up this chayote here. So somebody on this, of course. So we keep walking over there and look at them right there. This is kind of challenge walk. Challenge walking on that rock. Oops. Oh, love this chayote. Believe me, I love it. Piper, it's raining. It's raining. You got rope over there? Oh, good for you. Oh, check that. Ay. Woo! Look at this chayote, chayote, chayote. Oh, good Lord. Here the Philippines. Even you don't have much money, but you live. Live healthy. Survive here. You don't have to be like hungry. Oh no. I, yeah, in my backyard I have a lot of vegetables too. I grow vegetables. Tomato, okra. I had eggplant. This is just a big chayote farm. How do I call it this? Careful! Leave that bag. I'll take it. Careful. Yeah, that's Roy. My hobby. He like to be uh, climbing in the mountain. These big rocks. That is okay. We can make it. Nice. Sir, are you going to swim? Water's too cold. No, it's too cold. Oh my God.
Jennifer. Thanks for getting us up the trail. Huh? I'm gonna take you a video here.
Yeah,
You
hi.
gotta hold this phone here.
Woo! Yeah, still raining a little bit, but still can make it. I take you a photo, Daddy. Take you a photo. Call him. Oh my God, Joseph, are you going to? Ah, my. He's going to jump. Oh my God. Oh my golly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump! Are you going to jump? No. It's dangerous. Yeah, it's so dangerous to jump. Jump, jump. Jump, Jen. Oh, yeah, you can jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Woo!
Have you done this before? Yeah.
doing the jump. Be careful! Awesome! Woo! We just done our hiking. So now we're going back home. So you guys have fun? Yeah, have fun.